Hey folks, we are just coming through 10 past 1 in the afternoon, Thursday, 14th of October. And what we've had out just in the last, well, actually at 10 o'clock this morning was Vladimir Putin making comments about crypto. Now, on my mobile, the headline is, and I quote, Vladimir Putin says he accepts crypto as legitimate currency. Crypto, quote, has the right to exist, end quote. Putin says in CNBC interview. It's kind of strange he's slumming it on CNBC, to be honest. But yeah, no better time to go across and have a look at the crypto markets here. Um, really, there really isn't enough in terms of fundamental news and fundamental catalysts for the crypto space. Um, And so, really, when you get something like this, obviously it's a fundamental catalyst of quite a large magnitude. And yeah, immediately now, what 4.5% up on Ethereum? We're only up 0.5% on Bitcoin. Looks like it's been up about 1% already on the range on the day. Link up 7%. H bar to Bitcoin up 5.7. Cardano not taking the bait, only up. Well, it's flat on the day actually, flat on the day. Doge up 2%. Mark Cuban, to be honest, Mark Cuban does bang on about Doge, but or Doge, but that's I think because his basketball team accept it. I think at their stadium and on their website. So Ethereum, very strong here on Ethereum, to be honest. Now, going down to the 60 minutes, just update these pivots. I mean, yeah, let's get in here and put on this swing high, the 40 45s. That is further on up here, as you can see. Percentile wise, from where we sit to there is about, well, 7.65% up from at market right now. This is the spot rate for ETH to USD on BitMEX. So yeah, I mean, see this a lot. Now I have not touched these charts since last Friday actually, but we have this really nice little area of consolidation that I've been tracking, I think, for quite a while actually. Anyway, so you can see that it was a bit of a notch for trading here, and we pushed above, and really good point of reference. So you can see from this morning's trade, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. GMT times here. Europe is buying the dip. The nachos are loaded. Just to give you a flavor of what's happening generally across all these markets right now, we are going bid in a lot of these markets. So you're seeing NASDAQ up 1.16%, SPOOs, the S&P 500 up 1%, and the Dow up 0.86%. The dollar, however, right, and this is key to why these cryptos are moving up, being dollarized assets and spreads. All right, they're, Ethereum to USD. All right, the dollar's down. Well, it was down about 0.25% on the session. It's almost come into this support that we looked at this morning, 93.73. All right, so if the dollar is down, if the dollar is having a really bad morning like this, well, you're going to see Ethereum to the USD take a pump. Now, we're only down 0.25% on Dixie, but we're up 4% on Ethereum. So really aggressive sort of buying here. Obviously, not many people actually trading this as a spread product against the Dixie. It's more overweight towards Ethereum on the spread there, and just USD as a small hedging percentile. But you can see Bitcoin. That's yeah. I'm surprised Bitcoin isn't getting a little more busy on the upside, only up 0.72%. So, but Ethereum, the clear winner here, and sure enough, I mean I think the Bitcoin dominance. I will get up for the next video. The Bitcoin dominance chart, I think, is kind of going off to the downside, and so that's probably why Bitcoin is not that dominant a coin at the moment. The dominance is moving to Ethereum and a lot of other altcoins. So really, you're going to see percentile gains on Ethereum are attractive now. You're talking double, treble digits over the medium to long term. So medium being 6 months to a year, long term being a year plus, right? And you're looking at potentially triple digit gains on Ethereum. With Bitcoin, however, I'll blow this up on the daily. The percentile gains are really just a lot a lot harder to get now. You're looking at a push here to the all-time high is 12% on Bitcoin on the daily, and I was looking at some analysts earlier talking about 90,000. Well, that's going to be about 42% up on Bitcoin, right? But if we were to go over to Ethereum on the daily bars, well, yeah, sure enough, to the all-time high, it's probably, well, 17%, right? But then to the 50K, you're talking about 30%. And really, these are small beans. I think Ethereum can go to parity with Bitcoin to the USD. And that would put us at, let me just get the spot rate on Bitcoin. That's 57,000, right? So coming back here, 57,000 as target for Ethereum to get to parity right now. Well, you're looking at 50% on your money. Okay. And actually, once that happens, I think Ethereum will not only go to parity, but it will go above Bitcoin, and it will become a lot more valuable per $1. All right, so that's just a check in. On the weekly check-ins and the weekly look-aheads and reviews, we don't really always have a fundamental catalyst, but Vladimir Putin, the fearless leader of Russia, has really come out here. Obviously, he has bought the dip on crypto. All right, so we'll leave it there, and we'll talk to you later. Please do click to subscribe in the YouTube, and visit us at duggancapital.com, and you can check out the Discord rooms through signing into the website there. All right, have a good one. Cheers.